Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Dollar Tree haul to share with you. Fun makeup, beauty, nail polish finds, and that's about it. That's pretty much all I looked at in the store. So let's just jump right in. The first item is this Power Stick All Day Fresh Body Spray in Cool Blast. It's 3.5 ounces and we picked this up for John to carry in his work bag, car. I needed a new white and black nail polish, so I've not been able to find the plain black in my stores as long as I've been looking, but I can always find the white one, and I'm always needing white and black nail polish. I go through them very quickly and they're very versatile in nail art and just regular painting nail use. But this is white out. If somebody was to ask me what's my most used nail polishes, I would most definitely, or most repurchased, it's like treatments, top coat, definitely, and white and black nail polishes. But I've heard really good things about these Color Vibe white and black. So this one's supposed to be a one coat black. So I'm going to find out. This is called Back to Black. So white and black. The Color Vibe nail polishes are so good. And then Believe Beauty, they had some polishes in the store. This is actually one of my favorites, so this is a repurchase. It's a light gray color. I use mine all the time, especially in nail art, and it's called Shark Tooth. So I have a backup now of this shade. And Believe Beauty also, fantastic nail polishes. And I picked up this beautiful Candy Moyo nail polish, $9.80. And it's a blue with a light blue teal shift to it. And it has holographic glitters. It's gorgeous. I actually thought that this $9.80 was the same as the one that I had at home, and I saw this in the store, didn't pick it up. So when I went to a different Dollar Tree, I realized that the one at home that I have, and I'm just going to share this one now, is $9.73. And it is actually a purple with that blue teal shift in it with holographic glitter. These are really pretty. They are sheer and like a jelly formula, so they take some building up. You have to wear 3 to 4 coats to make it opaque, but I mean, they're beautiful once they're built up. So here they are side by side, so you can see the difference. If you were wondering also, maybe you own one and debating on whether or not to get the other. So definitely one is a blue and one is a purple. And they do have that same effect, the holographic glitters with the shifts in them. They're really, really pretty. So, so pretty. The next few finds are brand new. I'm so excited. And I actually have seen this in my store before, but I was really skeptical about picking it up. But I love cuticle oil. They did have like the jade one and like a rose one. I chose to get the lapis crystal one. And it does have little crystals in there. Let's open this. It comes in a dropper bottle, so it has a little dropper in there. I think the added little rocks to this adds a special little touch. I am excited to use this. Try it out. Hydrate your nails while enjoying the colorful crystals. It says that it's formulated with jojoba oil, coconut oil, and vitamin E. It has a light scent. I can't pinpoint the scent exactly, but it does smell really good. That's what the dropper looks like. So I think these would be great little gifts to throw in. A like nail themed little gift that you might be creating from Dollar Tree items. That would be a really good addition to that. You could color code it and everything. I think that would be fantastic. Another item I was really excited about finding, and it is the Be Pure Matte Perfection Nail Top Coat. This is a matte top coat, and I actually been looking for a in-store matte top coat. Couldn't find one at Walmart, couldn't find one at Dollar General, and then yesterday I just happened to find one at Dollar Tree. I'm really excited to use this and try it out. And then I found a few wishlist items, and I tried to settle on just one of these, but boy was it hard. So I ended up getting all three. This is the Be Pure Plumping Glossy Lip Balm, and it says, oh, the shade of this one is watermelon, and it says they're formulated with strawberry and grapeseed oil and maracuja oil. Probably butchered that, but, and you just click the bottom of this and the product comes out. So when we do another full face of Dollar Tree makeup, which you will see the very next day after this, trying out all these products, swatching them. So I'm not going to open these because I like to do that on in that video. I've seen really great things about these. They're really nice formulas, and I couldn't wait to get my hands on them. I thought I wasn't going to be able to, but here I found them all three that day. And here is magenta. Same thing, plumping, glossing lip balm. So here is watermelon next to magenta. And then last but not least, I found the plum shade, which I thought this would be the only one that I would actually pick up. But I just couldn't decide because these other two are such pretty summer colors as well. I was like, man, those are so pretty. I'll get some use out of these. And I think the concept is really neat as well. I cannot wait to try them out. And then last but not least, two items that I have been talking about for a couple months now that I have not been able to find, that I finally got my hands on. So I found the Ioni pencil eyeliner. This is their, well, it's in black, and it says it's the waterproof, no parabens, intense black long wear crayon eyeliner. I've been looking for this one, not the liquid liner pen with the glue, just an eyeliner, and I've heard great things and seen this work really great in other videos. So I am very, very excited about this product. Finally found a black eyeliner that I wanted to use at the Dollar Tree. And then, of course, been on the hunt for a highlighter, and I finally found one. So I found the Be Pure Glow Up Highlighter in Sparkling Rose. It might be a little dark. We'll have to use it sparingly. They also had the really pretty like contours, but they were too dark for my skin tone. They also had real pretty blush, but I already have something very similar to that. These have like a sponge tip on them, so the product, you squeeze it and comes down through the tip. Hopefully this one is not going to tear up or break, at least until we get to try it. So I'll be swatching all this and using it all in an upcoming full face of Dollar Tree makeup. And I feel that we have an item from every category now, which is wonderful, to test out and use from Dollar Tree. So I do plan on using that Love Peace palette more, so stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for more Dollar Tree hauls. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for reviews. If you have any questions, comments, or requests for reviews, leave them in the comment section below on any of these products or any of the products that I've hauled. Let me know, because I will definitely do a review. So I thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these. And don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional Dollar Tree links. Thank you so very much for watching.